Right, advertised almost the same vehicle on Saturday, which sold within 30 minutes. This will be no different. It's a Ford Transit Custom 320 Limited, built by the Ford Racing Team. This is the MSRT version. Colour is called Orange Glow. It's a 21 plate vehicle with 55,000 miles on. The big selling point for this is it's being sold with no VAT. So even though it's a commercial, it's a van, there's no VAT to pay. That could really appeal to someone because it's a 5 seats. If you've got a family with dual side loading doors, it's very practical. It's also got lots of cool features like rear entertainment, like an Alpine sound system, which is fantastic. It's got the switchable exhaust, but because it's the MSRT, it looks that little bit more aggressive and different to any other van you will see on the road. That's individualized by the side profile of the vehicle with the decals, the MSRT wider arches, and just the full body kit, the OZ Racing wheels, carbon fibre effect mirror casings. This is a great vehicle for the money, honestly. 55,000 miles on a 21. We've got the Ford LED lights. It's obviously lower than a normal van with the splitter at the front, MSRT detailing there. It's in a great condition as well, you know. I think if you're looking for one of these vans, get this bought straight away because there was interest in the blue one on Saturday, which I sold off the video that I did. This will be no different. Big MSRT steering wheel, reverse camera, adaptive cruise, automatic gearbox. It's got loads of features. There's the plaque which Tom just showed you for the MSRT. It's got an exhaust system as well, which is switchable. And if you look up, can you see the Alpine system there? It's got a really good Alpine sound system with subwoofer and speakers under the seat. It's got a domestic plug socket, so you can plug in, I think it's for like a PlayStation. So then my kids would love this. Jump in the back. I watch something on there or play on the PlayStation, long journeys, whatever it might be. There's lots of space in the back. And if I jump off and look at the seats, you'll see the MSR detailing in the leather and Alcantara seats. It's all in the details in these. Roof rails as well. If you look up, you can see that. We've got windows. I think there might be an option in one of these vans. And then round the back as well. So we've got the MSRT dual exhaust. It's got a tow bar. It's got an up and over door. And then even in the back of this, it's a little bit special. So it's all been carpeted with the MSRT detailing there. It is a van. I think this, and my opinion is key when I'm doing a video, I think it's a great van for the money in a great condition. Do not forget this. It's done 55,000 miles. It's a 21 plate vehicle. Don't expect it to be brand new, but in the market for an MSRT, the colour's great. It's really standout-ish. Orange glow. Nothing better than one of these in a Ford van. My number's on the screen. My name's Richard. If you're interested, there's no VAT, get it bought. Thanks for watching.